fireworks, which cost 2 for £20. Got fireworks safety. There's some sparklers at the bottom. I think this is... So what you get is 2 rockets, 11 fireworks, 3 shot tubes and 1 multi-shot. 21 shot.
21 shot.
It's got 21 fireworks in one.
21 shots it fires.
21 fireworks go up.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I think we did this the last time.
Yeah, it's the same one.
It comes
Was it Twilight last time?
No, but
It's virtually the same, isn't it?
yeah, but some
It
of them,
comes with
some of
so
them are the
many
same.
fireworks.
It's the 5th of November. Today we're going to see what a pink lady does to the banana flower.
Pink lady. Flower. Pink lady.
Fireworks.
Yeah. Those dogs are going to be barking all day today. Shall I light it or do you want to light it, Sammy?
I like it.
Right, step back.
That raised.
That's it, that's it.
I'm scared.
Now,
Yeah, go on.
It's gonna blow up.
Just touch the top. Move back. Let's see what happens to the... Oh, this is not, it's not getting anywhere near it. Nothing.
Hey, it doesn't even go that high.
So the answer... Oh! I wasn't expecting that.
It killed off a flower.
Something blew off it.
A petal. It's only a petal.
I wasn't expecting that.
did you get scared, guys?
It just blew up.
So that's what happens when you put a pink lady under the...
Banana flower.
Yeah, it blows the petal off.
It didn't do that much. I was
Did you
expecting
get
more.
scared?
It just flew up. I knew it was gonna blow at some
Do you
point.
try something else as well?
Please, 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 rocket.
No,
No.
rocket.
We'll save that tomorrow.
Yeah.
No, tonight.
I'm going to do a pink lady.
Or whatever the green stuff is, you have to touch it. Touch it.
Keep hold on it till it lit. Move! Ooh. Is that all it does? Whoa! I wasn't expecting that.
Told you it goes up.
That was a bit of a blast.
That was amazing. Isn't it?